Hi, my name's Marisha,
My name is Julia.
and today we're teaching a lesson on solids and liquids and changing states of matter.
And this is a realism lesson because we're actually like taking our students outside to go find some ice, and then they bring it inside and watch it melt into water. So
And they're able to be very hands-on and see what's happening instead of just observing the change. They're actually getting to find their ice, watch it melt, and then talk about it. Alright guys, so today our goal is to understand that ice and water are the same material in different states.
So who could tell me an example of what a state is? Not the state you live in. States of matter.
So not New York State?
Not New York State, no.
Oh,
So like states of matter. So like everything's in a state around us. So who knows a state? Sam.
Solid.
Yeah. Good job.
What would be a solid, Sam? Can you come up to the board and point?
Yeah.
Good job.
Good, Sam.
So what's the other one?
Liquid.
Good job, which is
The cup full of
full
water.
of water. Yes, so water is an example of a liquid, and ice could be a solid.
Right, so we're actually going to go outside, and we want you to take your cups with you, and you're just going to get any piece of ice and bring it inside in your cup. Okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Do you have a question?
Is snow ice?
No.
No, you actually need to find ice, okay, Sam? Because snow is kind of a tricky one, and we might learn about that tomorrow.
Okay, so
Try to be quick because it's kind of
I'm
chilly and you
looking
don't have
for
your jackets
ice,
on.
Right? I'm
Yes, we're looking for ice.
Okay, I think maybe that's right there. It's kind of snow,
That's
but it's
kinda
also
ice.
kind
Yeah,
of ice.
yeah.
I think there's some ice over here.
Oh, Sam, that's a great
Good,
ice
Olivia. That is a great ice chunk.
Yeah.
Good, Sam.
Yeah, it's dirty.
Yeah.
There's mud.
Typical first grader. Alright guys, so it's been a few minutes. I just went out and got some more ice. So this is what my ice looks like. I just brought it in. Yours has been in here for about 5 minutes. What does yours look like?
Looks like a slushy.
Like a slushy, so some of it, there might be some liquid and still some solid, maybe a mixture of both.
So what's happening to our ice? Sam.
It's melting.
It is melting, so it's going from a solid to a
Liquid.
liquid.
So this is a
Solid.
solid, and yours is almost completely a
Liquid.
liquid, right? So in about 2 more minutes, probably, it looks like your guys' will melt all the way. So can we make your liquid turn into a solid?
It has to be cold outside, so it
Has
has
to
to
be
be
cold
like
outside?
frozen.
You're right, so we could maybe put it in the freezer. How about, what if I washed this outside for 5 minutes? Would it look the same, or would it turn into a liquid?
It would look the same.
It looks the same because it's cold, right? But what if I
Right.
washed it in the summertime when it's warm?
It would look like this.
It would melt into a solid,
And
right?
probably even quicker too.
Yeah, it's
Yes.
probably quicker because it's nice and warm in the summer. Good job.
Good job today.
We don't have to wear coats in the summer.
No, we don't.
Our lesson actually went really good. Each student was able to find some ice, and they all understood the concept very well.
Yes, they're all able to identify that ice is a solid, and then once it melts, it becomes a liquid. And they also did know we could refreeze it if it's cold enough outside or in the freezer to make it become back from a liquid to a solid.
And they also understood that we need heat for ice to melt, so if we just stood outside, it wouldn't melt, because right now it's like 26 degrees, but in the summer, it would probably melt quicker than it would in the classroom. So overall, it was a great lesson.
Okay, so we mainly assessed our students through the discussion they had, so we listened to their ideas, made sure they were on the right track. And then another assessment we could do, like maybe the next lesson, we were thinking of like having them list other materials that maybe have the same transformation as the ice and water. So like for example, maybe chocolate, because it melts when it's warmer, and then it can be a solid too.
And then some other follow-up activities that we thought that they could do is either at home or at school take the ice that melted into water and actually put it in a freezer for the night, and then the next morning return to the topic and talk about what happened, how it happened, and maybe a little bit more about what a solid is, a liquid, what other materials, like Julia said, the chocolate could melt and reform as a chocolate bar, things like that.